Kong la khat khan lai tarik filit thap vote
มันต้อยบันติแทบโหวต election โลกสภา election MLA มันเตหอยเสีย
pli filit thap vote kan khna ba ka surjungi ki pa riulum kan sawa jam anong ba Delhi
ละลอร์กรีอินเดียจงยีกับเฮกิจิงกะลาอายุเก่งใบนี้อีเวลานีอารงดกินอมิกมัดกินละมันวันระ
ni we nong mi khmaru laban wanra bun ka jingkala to pichane lada phi phiri ne bamlit thap vote lada don si we ru bamlit thap vote ba da shikumta kan sa khalam ka jing sunchar pajba te pajba baro phila ya so tho am ba ka khat khendai tarek upnai april 2008 ra laki apet
Kenapa no? Efek jonga. Kawat chano.
tong shwa flas no tho am filit thap vote no am ta
Hoi ken, nala menjur bat pi. Nek vote no menka.
The residents of 5 villages in and around the Tarabari sector have declared their intention to abstain from voting in the Assam MP elections, opting instead to cast their votes in Meghalaya. They have called upon the authorities to acknowledge their stance and include them in the electoral roll for voting in Meghalaya during the forthcoming MP elections. Men and women had appealed to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to heed their voices, whereby they had assembled together to implore the administration to grant them the opportunity to vote from Meghalaya in the upcoming MP elections, informed a spokesperson representing the gathered residents.
Nga President Jongka Tarabari sector Kerteng Jonga Gupta Sangma mentangin na Tarabari sector sansnong ngin la menta la jumahne menta la wan baro ki rangba na snong rangba ki hatmans ki nong snong baro mentangi la juban menta la meeting menta la song meeting nga yaka MP election ngela decide ngala la decide la discuss kani ka MP election ngin claim isu hapo Assam state kata ngin menta la decide ngala meeting mana la song menta ngin gua benderung sapu Meghalaya singaufa ka minister bat duba rule official na Meghalaya ngin benrung ngin gua rung sapu Meghalaya dang ba claim bat ai yangi ID ngin mut dhep ka vote hapo Meghalaya dang ba nga claim bat iyo ka ID electoral ladangan tang up ya ka issue ID electoral ID ngin dang up dang bangin menta hapo Assam claim issue ngin la decide menta ngin singau bangin la ban singau bangin request yagi officer na Meghalaya state kata ladangan bait menta na nang snong Tarabari sector Garopara Balkham Damrang Dokholgri Batu Balukmari baru ngi menta la don hne ngala song meeting la le ayu la discuss ngi claim isu ka MP election ka vote election menta kani ka snem ar por saw kata ngin la menta ngi la juban baru ngala song la dep kata
chingni dabia kata chingni Meghalaya ni chief minister nananga ni mung chingade deman khainga kemekan chinga song sasa nongja chinga song dokan kemekan song ni me thapante me apa me chikma kemekan deman khainga ni ngamen chingni bi ani ko nananga chingade on chumot jawa song dokan